Honorable Chief Minister, I didn't blame anybody. I have written
Due
to the
respect to
earlier
you,
minister
will-
under
how-
UPA.
How
And had written to the Mr. Ajit Singh, nothing happened. So I'm not blaming
how
anybody.
personally उलयता नाही
And
करता.
mind you, I must be very grateful to Mr. Suresh Prabhu. Very grateful. He came and met me also. And he tried his best. It's not a blame game. But all I'm saying, look at Goans. Look at Goans who are working for the last 15 years with a human face. You will not be able to do anything your level because this is a central subject. This is not a state subject. I agree with you. This is, you have to look as a human problem. And you know how much salary they are getting? They are getting minimum wage after working for 15 years. Wage per day. And they are going to also retire, get them absorbed somewhere. And the same story will happen at the Mopa airport. Because these people who come from outside, they don't understand the pangs, the sufferings of the unemployed youth in the state of Goa.
Speaker sir, before I get my 0 hour mention, बाब सुदीन देवळीकरांचो विशय घेतला खूब महत्वाचो आसा. हांवें कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घेतिल्लें. मातशें ताजेर नजर घेवची. Speaker sir mention of 0 hour mention, fear and anxiety in the minds of people of Porvorim due to the incomplete projects relating to basic amenities such as sewerage, water, roads, housing board, market, etc. These projects have substantial investment of taxpayers' money and therefore completion of these projects is vital to public interest. The following projects need to be looked on to urgent basis by the Honorable Chief Minister. The sewerage project for Porvorim had commenced in 2014. However, indecisiveness of the department that has led to delays in finalizing the land for the sewerage treatment plant. The underground pipelines have already been laid which will corrode with further delay in completion of the project, leading to loss of the taxpayers' money. Additionally, the pocket treatment plants proposed in rural parts of Porvorim and house connections for the main STP are yet to see the light of the day. The completion status of the housing board market, which started in 2030 with the allotment policy in this regards, need to be clarified. Simultaneously, the relocation of shops from the old market to the new market needs to be done on priority basis as the old market is in a very dilapidated condition. The multipurpose sports complex at Sukur is kept incomplete and any further delay will deteriorate the condition of the newly built complex, which needs to be completed along with the interiors and with the multi-car park facility. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल सीएमान हाचेर नजर घालपाची गरज आसा कित्याक सगळीं कामां ओन्ली अवेटिंग फॉर गव्हर्मेंट डिसिजन. इफ इट्स अ पॉलिटिकल मोटीव इट्स अ डिफरंट इश्यू, पूण टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी ऑलरेडी गेल्ले आसा, हे प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लिशनाक आसा. सो ऑनरेबल सीएमा कडेन मागणी आसा की प्लीज रिव्यू दीस प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड वॉट एवर नेसेसरी डायरेक्शन्स नीड टू बी गिवन दी, कित्याक खर्च कमी आसा करपाक हे, पूण चालू जावनी.
Noted, Speaker.
Member Ravi Naik.
मस्त बसता
Ravi Naik.
तो उठलो
No, Ravi Naik.
नो तो उठलो म्हणटा का बसता का म्हणून चाललें Speaker sir, Minister for Social Welfare for and panic in the minds of the people due to the hardship faced by the applicant for availing for the financial assistance under Atal Ashra Yojana